Hi! Welcome to my channel. If you are new over here, my name is Maggie, and for today's video, I am so inspired with this color. It's kind of like orange reddish, and I love those colors, so I would like to show you how I did it. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, and if you do have any comments or suggestions of what color or palette you'd like me to use on my next video, please do sound your thoughts down below. And if you have not subscribed my channel, please do hit the subscribe button and the bell so that you will be notified when new videos come in. So let's go ahead and start. So I'm going to go ahead and get this color over here. This is a very good transition color. I love this color. From Morphe 35OM. Okay, so after putting that color, we're going to put this color next. So we're kind of like building up that color. Alright. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and touch base with this red color over here. And just put it on your crease like that. Okay, then I'm going back to my Morphe E17 brush and just keep blending out that color. So after having that color, okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start cutting the crease. So right now I am using a Photo Focus Wet n Wild concealer. So now that we have cut the crease, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Take Me Back to Brazil in this white color, and I'm just going to put it in the inner corner of my eye. Alright, so after putting the white color from Take Me Back to Brazil on my inner corner, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and grab one of our new palettes that I just got, and I just got a new palette from BH Cosmetics once again, and it's called the Solar Flare, and they have a shimmery palette for the Solar Flare. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to use that peachy color on the middle part of my eyes, which is this one. So we're just going to go ahead and overlap it with the white color. And then I'll go to Galactic, which is going to look like a reddish, really nice bronzy color. Kind of like a reddish bronze, I would say. And I'll put it at the end corner over here. And again, we're going to overlap it with the energy color. And I'm just using a regular Wet n Wild brush, which is this brush. And then I will just go back with the red tone from Morphe 35OM and just touch base again with that red brick color. So now that we're done with the upper lid, we're going to go ahead and put a highlighter on my water line. This one is called the Ultimate Brow Highlighter. Alright, so now that we do have it on our waterline, I am going to use my Morphe M326 to go back to that Morphe 35OM brick color, and then just go ahead and just color the bottom lashes over here. So we are almost done. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just put the eyeliner and do a cat's eye, and then I'm gonna put my eyelashes on, and then I will be back. And that's how it looks like. That's pretty much it. So if you do like this video, please do hit the like button, give it a thumbs up, and if you do have any comments and suggestions, please do put your comments down below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification button so you'll be notified when new videos come in. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. Until my next video.